look at that. Wow.
Oh!
I didn't think it was that bad.
Me neither.
Oh, yeah.
Got your glove.
Alright guys, so today we will be completely stripping the interior on our Nismo to get it cleaned, and then we will be prepping it for paint.
It's right here.
Oh, there. Thank you.
Yeah.
Alright, time to strip her apart.
Yeah, it smells a little stinky. Alright, so what's the plan?
So first I'm going to start by just doing a simple vacuum. I'm going to pull all the floor mats out, and then pull these headrest cover things off, and then I'll vacuum it again, and then I'll hit it with the extractor and get all the dirt and grime and mold and everything that's in these carpets completely out. But we're going to completely pull the seats out, pull all the carpet out, so all the trim down the sides of the doors, anything like that is going to be coming out. So I guess we'll get right into it. Let me go ahead and put some gloves on.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, see? These are gonna look brand new today. 14. Always remember to live with your hardware. Man, look how gross that is. Man, look at that.
Oh!
Wow. Pretty bad.
Any goodies over there?
10 cents. Hey, I got a penny over here. Oh, and a quarter, and a dime. I'm rich now.
So you gonna replace this too?
Yeah, we gotta see if we have a good one. But yeah, these are really finicky, and they're super, once they sit in the sun, especially with this thing having 214,000 miles, these get so brittle, like as soon as you touch them, they just instantly break. See, these things are so brittle, it's just completely breaking off. Always be careful with this climate control box. If you bend this or anything, your car's not gonna run. It's all sticky.
Dang.
Gotta get it around this e-brake.
There's mold under there too.
Yeah. See all the soda and juice and whatever else is in there. Ashtray thing over here is broken. Yeah, see? That's why this guy doesn't want to stay up, because the spring actually fell out of it. Yeah, see, we just have a little bit of, like, the mold is starting to grow inside of here, so we'll end up cleaning all this and getting all this stuff completely clean.
There's mold in there too.
Yeah, from where the water was, I guess. Stuff works really good. I just want to get, like, all the mold. See how it's, like, already pulling it out? I'll go ahead and hit it with this guy. And you look over here now, everything is all brought straight to the surface. So now we'll be able to vacuum all this back up, and it'll be that much cleaner. I think this carpet has already been out before, because these are ripped. This is what holds it in.
This thing already looks so clean.
Now, huh? Crazy. There's a little bit of water.
Uh-oh. Some water. It smells moist.
There, you can literally see it, like, dripping off the sides and everything.
Oh.
This?
Pretty wet?
Very wet. Hey, you can see it.
Yeah.
This thing is going to be my best friend. I'll just kind of saturate it real quick. Where you can see the mold, like, grab it. Brand new.
Just like new.
Just like new. Gross water. You could see how high the water was. You could see where the water was sitting right here.
Oh, jeez.
Okay, I guess we get it started and take it over to the pressure washer.
Are you gonna have a bucket seat?
Yep.
Nice.
Exactly what it is.
That's what everyone means when they say I'm gonna get a bucket seat.
I think she's gonna be a little high. Yeah, I think she's gonna be a little high. There we go. How do I look?
You look tiny.
Real tiny. now the next step is we got to get the outside ready for paint. So we're going to be pulling front and rear bumpers, side skirts, mirrors, door handles. Everything's going to be coming off the body so that it can get completely resprayed. So we got to pull the wing off and the wipers and literally everything. We're going to have to pull the glass out and the rear glass and then the quarter glass and the A-pillars. I'm scared to do that. And then we just got to tag and bag and put everything away. We got all different hardware in here.
This car looks so naked without the wing.
I know, huh? Just like that, it's gone.
Now it's time to take off the A-pillars.
And then there's about 100 Phillips holding me on. Here comes the scary part. It's so scary.
Didn't break a single tab.
You want to try to just give me a hand for a second?
Yeah.
Oh, that was easy.
Just it.
Never taken the Nismo rear bumper off before. First time for everything, yeah?
Oh yeah.
Wow, from right here, you can't really see it, but they painted right over all the cracking clear coat. See all the lines?
Yeah, it's pretty
Exactly what that's from.
Probably the most expensive part on the car.
Literally. This is what Sheldon wants, what George wants. I mean, me personally, I'm not the biggest fan of the Nismo bumper, but it does look okay. The headlight cover is off. Okay, the rest of the bumper's just zip tied on. It works. And this light's cracked too. Let it set for a second. Yeah. Of course, this side's way harder.
It came off like butter.
This one usually has a lot more bolts, but it's held in by one bolt because whoever had it off before, or when they repainted it, they didn't put it together right.
That made your job easier.
Yeah. Alright guys, so now that we got the A-pillars taken off, bumpers, side skirts, the whole interior stripped, as soon as the boys get back from Formula Drift, I will be having Sheldon take the glass out just so that I don't break it. As soon as that is done, it will be getting sent over to paint. Everything will be getting painted. We're working on a ton of builds on the channel, so if you guys want to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.